जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Through magic, sweat, determination and hard work of our freedom fighters has given us this freedom. That is why we have we are to value and cherish this freedom. We should not take it for granted. Think about the past and resolve to build over a better future for all our country. So this is a small welcome address to you all. We really welcome you to this program, that you have taken your precious time and you have come to be with us. So now I hand over the mic to...
So I would like to call upon our choir to invoke the blessings of God.
जनन मरण भयहारी मम ताप मपा गुरुदेव मम पाप मपा गुरुदेव मम पाप मपा गुरुदेव मम पाप मपा गुरुदेव। शंख चक्रधर दुष्ट दैत्य हर सर्वलोक शरणा। शंख चक्रधर दुष्ट दैत्य हर सर्वलोक शरणा। सर्वलोक शरणा मम ताप मपा गुरुदेव मम पाप मपा गुरुदेव मम ताप मपा गुरुदेव मम पाप मपा गुरुदेव। अगणित गुणगण अशरद शरण पूजाला। अगणित गुणगण अशरद शरण वितलित सुर विपुजाला। वितलित सुर विपुजाला मम ताप मपा गुरुदेव मम पाप मपा गुरुदेव मम ताप मपा गुरुदेव मम पाप मपा गुरुदेव।
and solemnity is the investiture ceremony, where students are prepared to take it to the heights they desire with the leadership qualities, decision-making skills, communication and teamwork. Now, Krishna Chaitanya.
Chaitanya is a dedicated, hardworking and very ambitious for his future goals. Nisha Soni, head girl. She's a very energetic and has an
I request everyone to give them a big round of applause for they have gone through a big process and they have come to this stage and the students have elected them as their head boy and head girl. So we are really proud of them because they are really capable students who are going to take charge of the school.
Madam. Okay, look here, madam. Right.
Approachable at ball and badminton. Deputy head girl, Asha Pilani. She is a compassionate and a multi-talented student and ambitious.
Babu. Side.
Please give them a big round of applause because they deserve it. Yes.
And a practical student. Secondary head girl Ashrita. She is a well-groomed, cooperative and humble student.
Give them a big round of applause, please. Really, I can't hear that sound. Please applaud them so that they do their duties. It's a great encouragement for them.
Good job. Wonderful.
He is a dedicated and a good team player and a sport player too. He's an enthusiastic person and an all-rounder. Student Secretary Alisha Khan. Alisha is an excellent academic, cricketer and an approachable student.
Now, I request Health and Hygiene Secretary to move forward.
Polite and humble.
उधर का दिक्कत
Sita Ali is spontaneous, curious with energetic personality.
मैडम कर दिखा
Vedant Saga. He is supportive, bold and follows the orders.
दो दोनों का दिख रहा था।
Vice Captain Akansha. She is a multi-talented student, dedicated and hardworking. And disciplined person, and always will be ready to help others. Sports like Kho-Kho and Kabaddi.
Parents and students, please give them a big round of applause.
बाबू
Now I request our director ma'am, Vijayalakshmi ma'am, to
solemnly promise in the name of God and on my honor to do my best and to exercise my duties to God, to my country, to my school and to my fellow students. So help me God. I give you this honor and the banner. Be faithful and devoted to your duties as a representative of this institution. Wish you all the best.
give them a big round of applause.
Parade! By the center, quit, march!
सर 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 सर
Thank you, children.
Happy Independence Day to all of us. Please give an applause to our country. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind. I belong to the army fraternity and I believe in discipline, duty, devotion, discrimination and dedication. 75 years have elapsed. We are still waking up. We are a cultural heritage we have of more than so many millions and thousands of years. Countries which have just come behind us are patenting and coming forward. Our children, the first thing I read this morning was the honor of a country depends on the morality of the human beings here. So we have to develop a morality and ethics. I'm so happy that you have selected Vidyanjali Grammar School. And a big round of applause to the parents, please. The mother is the first teacher. So India is our mother. Jai Bharat Mata. Thank you very much. Wish all the new office bearers lots of luck, endeavor and do well in whatever you do. Be just, be tolerant and loving and caring to all. Jai Hind.
भरत वेद मुगनिरत नाट्य
and a hearty welcome to our chief guest. I, Nishita from Grade 8, am happy to have the opportunity to express my thoughts on this Aspirers Day. India is celebrating its 76th Independence Day, completing 75 years of independence and embarking Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, a significant milestone in India's glorious history. We should be proud to be a part of independent India. Unity in diversity is a specialty of Indians. As proud citizens of our country, we can never forget the significance that 15th August holds in our history, the day India celebrated freedom. It's a day to celebrate our freedom and show respect to the freedom fighters who contributed their lives for Mother India, as well as display the immense love, bravery, sacrifice, and patriotism to free India. This day is celebrated broadly with enthusiasm and patriotism, in addition to paying tribute to our country and freedom fighters who lost their lives in order to set our country free. This day is deemed as a national holiday, and everyone celebrates it by hosting flags in schools, offices, or society. The stride towards independence started in 1857 amidst the Indian independence movement, followed by several other events. The efforts paid off as in 1947, August 15, India finally gained freedom with the Quit India movement. It is the most momentous day in Indian history. We honor this day with great passion, flaunting our national flag and reciting our national anthem. There are numerous events organized to express the undying love we have for our mother nation. We must carry the passion throughout the year with the notion to serve our country. The idea of being an independent nation, where sovereign power lies within us to determine our future, places a huge responsibility on our shoulders. Let us join hands to make India a respectable and looked upon nation. Let us celebrate the freedom and independence by paying back to our country. A famous quote, Indira Gandhi.
Suhansha in the attire of Bharat Mata. Moksha in the attire of Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. I request everybody please give a huge round of applause. Advait Kartikeya in the attire of police. D.C. Lakshmi Bai. Uzair in the attire of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. I request everybody to give a huge round of applause for our pre-primary kids.
బేబీ ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఒక్క నిమిషం
से निकल के
Independence Day of our country. On this special occasion, I would like to remember one of the inspired quotations of Mahatma Gandhi. Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of our life, which for any person not to pay for living. Which means, freedom is like our breath. We need not to pay for our freedom, as we do not pay any price for our breath for living. I convey my hearty greetings to the people who are present here and all Indians. A very happy Independence Day. Today, we have completed 75 years of freedom and we salute all the fighters who have fought for this freedom. Our ancestors have sacrificed everything of them to achieve this freedom. So today, let us all remember those freedom fighters who laid down their lives for our country. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.
Arman as Alluri Sitaramaraju. Please give a huge round of applause. Dear parents, please give them a huge round of applause. And I really thank all parents of pre-primary kids for taking a lot of efforts in getting them ready. Thank you very much. Vikil as Bhagat Singh. Arshia as Abadi Banu Begum. I request everybody to give a huge round of applause. Idris as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Tanesai as police. I request all the parents, children, everybody to please give a huge round of applause. Hussain as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Sahaja as Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. Fawaz as Mangal Pandey. So tiny thought, as they have taken lot of patience and waiting till the end of the program. So I request all of you to keep on giving them a big round of applause because they did their best and they are all looking so pretty.
Madam.
Moksha as Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. Please give a huge round of applause.
మేడం ఇక్కడ చూడండి టేకింగ్ మేడం టేకింగ్
Very cute. She's giving smile also.
Shriyan in Subhash Chandra Bose.
Round of applause, children, please. See how.
Nani Jaydev Mehta as police. Please give a huge round of applause. Amaira as Indira Gandhi.
Yay, very nice.
baby
Naga Amrita as Jhansi Lakshmi Bai.
Well dressed and she's looking pretty, but she's crying a little bit. It's okay.
शुरुआत के लिए कोई भी दिन बुरा नहीं होता। सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम साक्षी पटेल है। मैं 10वीं कक्षा में पढ़ रही हूँ। आदरणीय अतिथि महोदय, आदरणीय प्रधान अध्यापिका जी, सभी अध्यापकों और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों को मेरा प्रणाम। आप सभी जानते हैं कि हम यहाँ पर अपने देश का 74वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। 15 अगस्त भारतवर्ष का राष्ट्रीय पर्व है। इस दिन हमें अंग्रेजी हुकूमत से आज़ादी मिली थी। हम सबको एक भारतीय होने पर गर्व होना चाहिए और हमें अपने भाग्य की प्रशंसा करनी चाहिए कि हम स्वतंत्रता भारत की भूमि में पैदा हुए हैं। भारत की आज़ादी के लिए ब्रिटिश सेना में से भारतीय सैनिक मंगल पांडे ने सबसे पहले अंग्रेज़ों के खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाई थी। कई महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने बाद में संघर्ष किया और अपना पूरा जीवन केवल स्वतंत्रता प्राप्त करने में लगा दिया और बहुत संघर्ष के पश्चात ब्रिटिश शासन से 15 अगस्त वर्ष 1947 को मुक्त हुआ और स्वतंत्रता शास्त्र बना। तभी से भारतवासी इस दिन को स्वतंत्रता दिवस के रूप में बहुत धूमधाम और खुशी से मनाते हैं। इस खुशी में आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Sakshi, for this wonderful speech.
It taught me how to deal challenges, ups and downs of studies and lives. It made me a better student, a better citizen, and of all, a better person. I promise you all that I will follow the path of truth and never disappoint you with my work. So, today, let us take some time to value our nation and never forget the sacrifices. Happy 75th Independence Day.
Our principal, Ma'am Sunita Paul, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. As the head girl of the school, it is my honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this event happen. So, I, Nisha Soni, on behalf of VGS, first of all extend my most sincere to the Almighty God for making today's event happen. I extend a hearty word of thanks to our chief guest and our management committee. Today, we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely be going to encourage us in our future events. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheel starts rolling weeks ago. A special mention to our principal ma'am who stimulated us to do our best. We thank our loving teachers for their undying efforts. Our sincere graduation goes to all parents and well-wishers for your rock-solid support and encouragement. Thank you so much for attending this event. Finally, I would like to thank our budding rock stars, our students, that made this event joyful with their impressive performance. We value you and every moment that you stay in this temple of learning. Once again, thank you so much and a happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Parents, teachers, my students, and our chief guest of the day, Vijayalakshmi Chellama, my director ma'am, a very happy 75th Independence Day. And dear parents, do you believe that God really showed mercy on us? Because today from morning we were praying. I was so upset. Children may get upset. But by God's grace, we gained trained. Weather is very supportive to us. And then I'm thankful for conducting this program. And also I thank our director ma'am for taking her time and then taking her time to witness this program. So, and then I was so worried actually from morning. And then taking time and witnessing this program, and we were really hurrying up to complete the program, but now the rain has stopped. I thought maybe we could do it very leisurely, but anyway we have completed the program. I thank all the parents really from the bottom of my heart, especially pre-primary parents. Really you have put a lot of efforts. So many parents have given names, only few students have turned up. I really appreciate your positive attitude, and I also thank the parents of cabinet members and the participants of other dance programs for encouraging us. Because it was raining, we thought many students may not turn up. But really, I thank each and every parent for taking a lot of interest, getting ready your children and sending them on to the school, and you were on time. And also thank all the teachers of my school, especially PT department, all the 3 PTs. They were working past 3 days, parents. Yesterday they were working. Actually, we thought of postponing this investiture ceremony. But again, we thought, let us, because the weather was favorable, we thought it was not raining, then we started our practice. And then again answered my prayers. And I thank all the PTs, 3 PTs who are really continuously working. for the program to be successful. Shall we give a huge round of applause for PTs and also my students? She really took a lot of efforts in conducting this program along with her, Sulekha ma'am also. And then the rest of the team, they were working right from the morning today. The remaining others, background work, and PTs and cultural in charges were taken care of. And also a special thank to Welcome Dance children. Let us give a round of applause for Welcome Dance children. And also Dumbbell Dance. Was it not wonderful, parents? I like it. Dumbbell Dance and patriotic dance. Thank you children for participating, and you didn't get absent. That I'm really grateful to you. I'm thankful to you for making this program a huge successful one. And each and every student and each and every teacher I thank from the bottom of my heart. And special thanks to my director ma'am also for encouraging us and then witnessing this program. Thank you.
जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। है मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी। जो शहीद हुए